So I'm trying to figure out how I can use debugWire software breakpoints without actually consuming flash erase operations. And it says that there is a comparator on the debugWire on-chip debug system that is there for the purposes of run to cursor and single stepping operations. So essentially it's one program counter comparator built into the debugWire system. I'm interested in that because that would mean essentially I could have my program running. This is a test program I wrote so that I can see if this functionality is actually working. And then I would be able to effectively just run the program. I could break at any time using the pause without consuming any flash write operations, I think. And then potentially just run to cursor and taking care to avoid placing that breakpoint on a double word instruction. So here's a single word instruction, 16-bit instruction, run to cursor. So in theory, the flash memory contents right there ought to be CFF5. I can double check that by copying and pasting the program address. It's actually a word address, so I got to multiply it by 2 to get the byte address. And what that will do is it's going to, on the next time it gets to this instruction, it's going to load the value of the word that it finds at that flash memory address into the instruction variable here. So you can see what will happen if I do another run to cursor here. It's been replaced by the opcode for the break instruction. And I can just double check that that is true by just pressing continue and then just breaking at random here. You can see it's been set back to the correct thing. So it looks like Microchip Studio is caching this instruction, replacing this instruction with a break, software breakpoint, breaking on it, emulating the instruction when I continue. So that's annoying. Should be run to cursor using the existing on-chip debugger comparator. Am I wrong? You tell me.